Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to close your amigurumi project. This is the final step that brings your cute creation to life. So, grab your yarn and needle and let's get started. Once you've completed the last round of your amigurumi, leave a long tail, about half an arm's length, and cut the yarn. Pull the yarn through the loop. Now thread the long yarn tail through the yarn needle. Insert the needle under the front loops of the remaining stitches. Pull the yarn tight after each stitch to close the hole. Once you've gone through all the stitches, pull the yarn tight to completely close the hole. Weave the yarn tail into the body of the amigurumi to hide it. Then trim any excess yarn. And that's it. Your amigurumi is now closed and ready to be displayed. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below for more crochet tutorials and tips.